No battery lasts forever, and that includes the one in your key fob. But fortunately, replacing it is easier than you think. All you need is a small, flat blade screwdriver and a new battery. In this case, a CR2032 3V. First, push and hold the mechanical release button on the side of the fob and remove the emergency key. Insert a flat blade screwdriver into the gap on each side of the emergency key slot. Carefully pry both sides to open the cover slightly. Using your fingers, separate the case. Then use the screwdriver to pry out the old battery. Insert a new battery with the positive pole facing up. Put the case back together and snap it shut. Now, just reinsert the emergency key and test the key fob by pressing a button. If the LED light blinks, you're good to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.